Maximize your space. Smart solutions for creating a relaxing flower paradise in a small garden. Welcome to a sanctuary for individuals who find joy in the picturesque embrace of nature, who see gardening not just as a hobby, but as an art form, and for those who yearn for peaceful, relaxing landscapes. This space is thoughtfully curated to transport you into the serene and multifaceted world of gardens through the power of immersive videos. Here, nature enthusiasts and casual admirers alike can embark on visual journeys through a diverse array of garden styles that cater to every taste and preference. Our collection of videos celebrates the vivid beauty of vibrant flower gardens. These gardens burst with color and life, offering an awe-inspiring spectacle of what careful planning and a little horticultural magic can achieve. Each video captures the intricate details of blooming flowers, from the delicate petals of a rose to the radiant sunflowers reaching towards the sky. The symphony of colors is perfectly complemented by the soothing sounds of nature, creating a multisensory experience that invites viewers to pause and appreciate the simple, yet profound beauty around them. For those who prefer a garden with dual purpose, our lush herb gardens offer an enchanting blend of beauty and utility. These spaces are not only visually appealing, but also engage the senses of smell and taste. Our videos guide you through gardens filled with the aromatic scents of rosemary, thyme, and basil, while the gentle rustling of leaves creates a serene backdrop. Herb gardens provide a practical joy to the gardener, offering fresh ingredients for cooking while doubling as a calming retreat to unwind and reconnect with nature. tranquility finds its perfect expression in our videos of Japanese gardens. These meticulously designed spaces emphasize simplicity, balance, and harmony with the natural world. Every element, from the placement of stones to the design of water features, is curated to foster an atmosphere of meditation and peace. Our videos capture the essence of these gardens, allowing viewers to experience a meditative journey through meticulously raked gravel paths, past serene koi ponds, and under gently arching bridges. The calming visuals, accompanied by the soft sounds of flowing water and rustling bamboo, offer a temporary escape from the noise and stress of modern life. In our increasingly urbanized world, the concept of rooftop gardens offers a modern twist on traditional gardening. Our serene rooftop sanctuaries transport viewers to elevated heights above the cityscape, where lush greenery and vibrant flowers create a striking contrast against the urban backdrop. These videos highlight how even in the most unexpected places, nature can carve out a peaceful retreat. The rustle of leaves against the backdrop of distant city hum serves as a reminder that tranquility can be found anywhere, if one knows where to look. Each video in our collection is crafted to offer more than just a visual feast. It is an invitation to celebrate the union of nature and creativity. The calming visuals coupled with the harmonious sounds of the natural environment work together to soothe the mind and nourish the soul. This dedicated space is more than just a digital garden. It is a community for those who appreciate the therapeutic effects and timeless beauty that gardens provide. Whether you are seeking inspiration for your next gardening project, a moment of calm in a busy day, or simply a connection with like-minded nature lovers, this space offers a window into the world of gardens where nature's splendor is lovingly captured. In each frame and every sound, you will find a celebration of nature's ability to refresh, inspire, and unite us in our shared appreciation for the Earth's natural beauty.